Well, Brian, what a week you've had. Winning the sub-runner, judging the Interbury champion. Amazing.
Well, yeah, really. I haven't come to ground yet. I'm still pretty high up. No, it's been fantastic. I never thought to win on Monday. I really didn't think that I'd done that much. But obviously I have done more than I have. It's been a long time, 59 years. And to judge this today has been a tremendous accolade.
The icing on the cake after all the years.
Yeah.
And there's a big day in 2 weeks' time as well. Somebody celebrating 80 years?
Yeah, it'll be 80 on the 20th of August. Yeah. If anybody wants to work it out, I was born in 1946. On the 20th. So I think I got it right.
In the 80 years that you've been on Earth, what have you learnt? What's the most important thing you've learnt?
To be honest, truthful, and listen as well as keep talking. You can always learn. I'm still learning today, and you will always be able to learn something. Yeah.
And what about your champion, the Suffolk yearling ewe?
Well, she was a fantastic ewe. When I went round the first time and I handled him, I thought, well, if there's a better animal in this ring than that, they're going to take a bit of beating. And then I got to the Charolais and I thought, well, here's my two winners. Which way round are they going to be? And then I got to the end. I didn't find anything else. So I went back to the non-accredited ring and I couldn't see nothing there that was going to beat them. So I had to come back, and it was my first decision. So I thought I'll stick by it. And that's why I tapped them out so quickly.
Listen to your gut feeling.
That's right, yeah. It's always your first choice. It's always the best.
How would you sum up Roy Welsh 2026?
Well, it's been incredible for me, really. And Brecon County's featured year as well. When my name was picked out for the sub-runner, I said, no way. There's plenty of people in Wales and in Breconshire that have done as much for showing as I have, and more. But no, they wouldn't have it, so my name went forward. And then I got a phone call one day to say that I'd been shortlisted for 3. And then I had to wait till last Monday morning to see how I got on.
Brian, Davies, Dan the Eglwys, you are truly special.
Thank you very much.
You've given so much to the industry and the society.
Thank you very much.
You were a very deserving winner.
I thoroughly enjoyed my life with the sheep and showing. And meeting you as well. Thank you very much.
It's been even more of an honour to meet you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you.